Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Measure 500 g bread flour and combine with 7 g instant yeast, 1 tsp sugar, and 1.5 tsp salt. Add 325 ml lukewarm water and 2 tablespoons olive oil. Mix until shaggy. Knead by hand or mixer for 8 to 10 minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic, about 65% hydration. Shape into 2 equal balls, lightly oil, and proof at room temperature for 1 hour or refrigerate for up to 24 hours to develop flavor. Rest dough 30 minutes before stretching for best extensibility. Make a simple sauce. Crush 400 g canned tomatoes and simmer with 2 crushed garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tsp salt, and 1 tsp sugar for 12 to 15 minutes. Finish off heat. Grate or slice 250 g low-moisture mozzarella and pat dry to reduce sogginess. Assemble by stretching dough to the target size, spooning a thin, even layer of sauce, adding cheese, and choosing light toppings. Leave a 1/2-inch rim untopped. Excess toppings or moisture will prevent proper browning and can weigh the crust down. Preheat your oven to 475 degrees F, 245 degrees C, with a pizza stone or steel for at least 45 minutes to ensure retained heat. Stretch dough to about 12 inches, approximately 3.5 mm thickness at the center, top lightly, and transfer to a well-floured peel. Slide onto the hot stone and bake 7 to 9 minutes at 475 degrees F. If your oven reaches 500 degrees F, reduce bake time to 4 to 6 minutes. Let the pizza rest 2 minutes out of the oven. Finish with fresh basil and a 1 tablespoon olive oil.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.